Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OE level past paper. Today we shall discuss question number 9 of paper 3 pure mathematics 3 session May June 2023. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use this word my topper student. You will find the channel my topper student. For online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. For question number 9, let f of x equal to xk plus 17x minus 17 over 1 plus 2x into 2 minus x whole square. Express f of x in partial fraction. So, in the solution section, first of all, we shall express the given function in the form of partial fraction. A over 1 plus 2x, b over. In partial fraction, the method for this to express it in the partial fraction is if there is a linear equation in the denominator, we write it as it a over 1 plus 2x. Next is the power of the linear. So we shall write it as b over 2 minus x. First we shall start from the power 1 and after that we shall increase 1 by 1. After that c over 2 minus x whole square. The method for a term, linear term having a power. So multiplying 1 by, after that we shall multiply the equation by the denominator of this one. This is the method in order to convert the given function into partial fraction. By multiplying 1 plus 2x, the equation number 2 is after simplification and the equation number 3 is in the whole simplified form so that we can compare the terms of x square, x and constant. The method for this is that first of all we shall put the linear equation equal to 0. The linear equation is 1 plus 2x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 by 2. Put x equal to minus 1 by 2 and 2 when we shall put x equal to minus 1 by 2 and equation number 2. After simplification we get a equal to minus 4. So the next one is, now we shall put 2 minus x equal to 0 because 2 minus x is a linear. We check that on the right hand side the linear value and we put it equal to 0. First we have put 1 plus 2x equal to 0. After that we are putting 2 minus x equal to 0. So in the next part, on the next page, again from 1 put 2 minus x equal to 0 because it is a linear equation. When we put x equal to 0 we get x equal to 2. In question 2 when we put x equal to 2 in question 2 we get c equal to 5. For the value of the constant b we shall compare the coefficient of x square plus x and the constant. When we compare the coefficient of x square on the left hand side and right hand side of equation 3 we get 2 equal to a minus 2b. After simplification we get b equal to minus 3. So putting the value of a, b and c in equation 1 we get 2x square plus 17x minus 17 over 1 plus 2x into 2 minus x whole square is equal to minus 4 over 1 plus 2x minus 3 over 2 minus x and plus 5 over 2 minus x whole square. In the part b, show that integration is 0 to 1 f of x 5 by 2 minus ln 72. From part a, the value of the function is minus 4 over 1 plus 2x, 3 over 2 minus x and plus 5 over 2 minus x square. By putting the value of in the place of f of x and after simplification we get minus 4 over 2, 2x over 1 plus 2x, minus 3 over minus 1 dx. We are multiplying it with minus 1 so that we can get the derivative of the denominator. Derivative of the denominator is equal to minus 1, so we are multiplying it and dividing it with minus 1. Again, in the first step, as the derivative of the denominator is 2, so we multiply it with 2 and divide it by 2. This is the method. After simplification and applying the limit, upper and lower limit 0 to 1, we get minus 2 ln minus 3 ln 2 plus 5 2 minus 1 over 2. After simplification, by applying the law of logarithm, we get ln 3 raised to the power 2 and ln 2 raised to the power 3 by applying the law of exponent. So after simplification, we get ln 72 plus 5 by 2. The last one is 5 by 2 minus ln 72 required term. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.